A while ago, I did a post or a video on Cristiano Ronaldo not just being a great football player or the greatest football player, but he's also a leader. And after a few moments of pondering, I decided to do this series on personal leadership, because there are so many people who think that leadership is a title, is a position. Leadership is not a position, it's not a title. Leadership is your ability to influence people. Leadership is your ability to use your talent or your gift in such a way that people are influenced by it and they follow you because of it. And in the post I did back then, I used Ronaldo as an example when he pushed the Coca-Cola bottles aside and Coke lost over $4 billion in minutes. And then I used Michael Jordan wearing the earring in an advert, and the following week, hundreds of thousands of American men went to wear earrings. And also Lang during the Beijing Olympics opening ceremony, he played the piano flawlessly, and the next day over 40 million Chinese children enrolled for piano lessons. That's leadership. But what is personal leadership? Personal leadership is the ability to lead yourself. It is the ability to lead yourself in the direction that you want to go. It is easy to boss people around. It is easy to tell people what to do. But it is not so easy to make yourself do what you need to do. That is why, to me, personal leadership is the highest form of leadership, the ability to lead yourself. And it's easy in life to have a vision, to have a dream. Anyone can dream, even the person sleeping can dream. But you need to wake up and pursue your dream. That's my side chick and my wife right here. Yes, she's my wife and side chick. The action. And so we are going to unpack this topic of leadership, of personal leadership, and I will use the letters of the word leadership to teach you personal leadership. This is from one of my books which will be coming out next year, The Young Achievers Program, an incredible book that is a compendium of 12 pocket-sized books. And I'll be talking about personal leadership in that book. So I'll be giving you a hint of that book. So next time, join us as we look at L, the first lesson of personal leadership. Comment below personal leadership if you intend to lead yourself to success. I'll see you later.